Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset a Schlage Encode Keypad lock in 2026, whether you forgot the code, facing any issues or setting it up fresh. This is the correct method of doing it. So this particular method completely resets the lock and clears all the codes and the settings. In it, you just have to simply remove the battery cover on the inside part of the lock. After that, you need to take the batteries out. Now take out the battery pack and press and hold the Schlage button, which is the front keypad logo. While holding the button, you need to reinsert the battery pack. Keep holding until the lock beeps or flashes. Release the button and wait for reset to complete. After reset, the lock will be like new and it needs to be set up again. So in order to set it up, you need to basically open the Schlage Home application. In it, you just have to tap on the option of add new lock. After that, follow further on-screen instructions, connect lock to the Wi-Fi, and now you can set the new access codes. If your lock is frozen or the keypad is not working, you can still reset it. For that, you just have to simply remove the battery packs and simply wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Follow the same reset steps again. Ensure that the batteries are fresh and properly inserted. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.